In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a delta symbol in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Now here at the ribbon at the top, you can find all these tabs. Now simply click on the Insert tab. And here you'll find Symbol. Click on this drop down and choose More Symbols. Now in this window, you have here the font. Click on the drop down and then we have to choose normal text. For the subset, click on this drop down and then we just have to simply choose Greek and Coptic. And then you will find in here the Greek capital letter delta. So obviously you can simply insert this and you can also create a shortcut text to make a delta symbol. So click on the autocorrect and it's replace it with the text. So simply type backslash delta. Okay, and then click on add and click on OK and then close this. Now let us try. So whenever you are going to insert the delta symbol, just simply type backslash delta or to any shortcut text that you have added and hit enter, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.